Hello guys, welcome to my channel Aero Civil. We are doing the lecture series of expected question of GATE 2022 Civil Engineering, where we are talking about or we are discussing and solving a few problems which can be come in GATE 2022 examination. So if you like the previous video, please like and subscribe our channel so you can get this type of question daily. Okay, from the month of the November I will upload daily 2 or 3 question or expected question which can be come in GATE 2022 examination. Okay, so without wasting time, let us solve the first question of this day. A vehicle moving at 100 km per hour stopped by locking wheel skid marks measured on road are 40 meter long. The deceleration of the vehicle is. So here in this question the velocity of the vehicle is given. So the velocity is equal to 100 kmph. Okay, if we convert it into the meter per second, so we have to divide by 3.6. just remember this. If we if in question it is given in kilometer per hour, you have to convert in meter per second, divide by 3.6. okay, if in question the velocity of the vehicle is given as meter per second, then multiply with 3.6, it will give the velocity in kilometer per hour. Okay, now if we divide the velocity with 3.6, it is coming as 27.77 meter per second. Okay, this is the velocity. Now the skid distance that is s equal to given in the question is equal to 40 meter. Okay, the deceleration, that is opposite of acceleration. So deceleration means the velocity of the vehicle reducing, and up to which amount it will reduce? It will reduce up to 0. Okay, the velocity will reduce up to 0. So we can consider the initial velocity of the vehicle was 100 kmph or 27.77 meter per second, and the final velocity will be 0. So if we know the formula, that is v square minus u square is equal to 2as. We know this formula, we have read this formula in physics, okay, in class 11. If we put the value, that means 0 square minus 27.77 square equal to 2 into, we have to find the deceleration value, then s is equal to 40 meter. So a is coming as if we calculate minus 27.77 square whole divided by 2 into 40, it is coming as minus 9.63 meter per second square. Here minus sign denotes the deceleration or the velocity of the vehicle is reducing. Okay, minus sign denotes that, but we will use modulus value, that means 9.63 meter per second square. This is the deceleration value. Okay, now we have to find in this unit, kilometer per hour per second. Okay, we have to find in this unit, we get in meter per second square. So a is equal to 9.63 meter per second square, and now we have to convert 9.63 into 10 to the power minus 3 equal to, it is coming as kilometer per second square. If we multiply it with 10 to the power minus 3, meter will convert to kilometer. Then again if we multiply it with 3600, that means 60 into 60. Okay, it will convert into kilometer. 1 second will be convert to the hour. Okay, 1 second will convert to the hour and another will be in remain in second. Okay, so it is coming as 34.668 kilometer per hour per second. Okay, so in our question it is asked in this way, kilometer per hour per second. So we are getting the result is 34.668, that is approximately equal to 35 kmph per second. So let us see the option which is correct. Option A is correct. Okay, is that clear? Now move on to the next question. Now the next question, it is asked the safe stopping side distance SSD for a single lane two-way village road with design speed 40 km per hour. Okay, here the velocity is 40 km per hour. The driver reaction time is 2.7 seconds and the coefficient of linear friction is 0.4. Okay, this should be linear. Coefficient of linear friction is 0.4 over a descending gradient 4% is dash meter. Okay, now here the design speed is 40 kmph. Reaction time T is equal to 2.7 second. Coefficient of friction F is equal to 0.4 and the descending gradient G is equal to it is coming as 4%. Okay, now we know the formula for stopping side distance SSD is equal to Vt plus V square by 2 into G into friction plus minus N. N here is the gradient. Okay, this gradient. Now if we put the value here, V is equal to, we know 40. Okay, here V is equal to 40 km per hour. T is equal to, it is given 2.7. Okay, now what we have to do, V is given in kilometer per hour, we have to convert it into meter per second. In previous question I have told you already, if we have to convert that kilometer per hour to meter per second, we have to divide by 3.6 or we have to multiply it by 5 by 18. Okay, so it is coming as Vt plus 40 whole divided by 3.6 V square 2 into 9.81 into F. Here F is given, friction is given 0.4, descending gradient, that's why we will choose minus sign, and the descending gradient value is 4%, that means 4 by 100. Okay, if we solve this, it is coming as 47.47. Now in question they have asked the safe stopping sign distance for a single lane two-way. Watch this carefully. Single lane two-way. In case of stopping side distance for single lane two-way, traffic is 2 times of SSD. For single lane two-way, the value of SSD will be 2 into SSD, 2 into stopping side distance. Okay, so the answer should be 2 into 47.47 in meter, it will come as 94.95 meter. Okay, so where is the trick? We know this formula, we can convert this kilometer per hour to meter per second, we know this portion. Okay, student can come up to this, but the trick is single lane two-way. Okay, it is the provision. In case of single lane two-way, we have to multiply it SSD value with 2 and it is coming as 94.95. so the answer should be 94.95 meter. Okay, or approximately 95 meter. So if you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon, because when I will upload the next 2 question, okay, so you will get instantly notification. So please subscribe and press the bell icon and like this video if you like this video, or if you want anything change or you want to comment anything, please do comment in my YouTube channel. So thank you, keep practicing, we will meet in next video.